and a very fantastic morning to all of you. First, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for operating us the art of public speaking. I am Anshi Verma and I belong to Tania. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English Kopaganj branch, and today I will deliver a speech on gender equality. Before starting my speech, I would like to say some Hindi lines. बेटियों को यूं अगर जो तुम कोख में ही मारोगे, बेटियों को यूं अगर जो तुम कोख में ही मारोगे, अरे ओ जग वालों फिर बेटी कैसे पाओगे? Gender equality is social issues where boys and girls stand equally. Girls are uncomfortable in society and are often killed before a birth. In many parts of India, a girl's child is killed even before a birth. Due to the particles normal, humans have been required compared to men and are subjected to humiliation. In many times, gender equality is major reason behind a country not flourishing to its in economic scale of a country goes down as humans are not encouraged to be a part of the economy. Their rights are suppressed. Gender equality is cases to society and we should try to again remove it and our country and our society. Before finishing my speech, I would like to say some Hindi line again. भेदभाव जुल्म मिटाएंगे, भेदभाव जुल्म मिटाएंगे, दुनिया नहीं बसाएंगे. नया है सफर, नया है डगर, अब हम नारी आगे ही बढ़ते जाएंगे. I end up my speech thanking you all great people for paying to heed my word. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.